Your wife is mad at you. You can feel the tension, see it in her body language, hear it in her short responses, and you have no idea what to do. Do you give her space? Do you try to talk? Do you apologize even though you're not sure what you did? Here's exactly what to do when your wife is mad at you, in the order that actually works. First, understand this. There are two types of mad. There's, I need space to cool down mad, and there's, I need you to acknowledge what just happened mad. Your first job is figuring out which one you're dealing with. Don't guess. Ask. Try this exact phrase. I can see you're upset. Do you want to talk about it now, or do you need some space first? This one question changes everything because it gives her control. If she needs space, she'll tell you. If she's ready to talk, she'll tell you that too. Either way, you're not making assumptions. If she says she needs space, give her actual space. That means at least 30 minutes of no contact. No texting to apologize. No following her around trying to fix it. No asking, "Are you still mad?" Her nervous system needs time to regulate, and that can't happen if you're hovering or pushing. If she says she wants to talk, here's what you do next. And this is critical. Don't immediately defend yourself. Your first instinct will be to explain why she's wrong or why you didn't mean it that way. Resist that urge completely. Your first job is to understand, not to be understood. Start with this. Tell me what's bothering you. I want to understand. Then listen without interrupting. Let her get it all out. Don't mentally prepare your defense while she's talking. Actually hear what she's saying. Watch her body language. Notice the emotion behind the words. Once she's done, here's your next move. Reflect back what you heard. Try. So what I'm hearing is that you felt dismissed when I made that comment, and it made you feel like I wasn't listening to you. Did I get that right? This does two powerful things. It proves you were actually listening, and it gives her a chance to clarify if you misunderstood. Now comes the part most men skip. Validate her feelings, even if you think she's overreacting, even if you didn't mean it that way, even if you think the whole thing is blown out of proportion. You can still say, "I can see why that would hurt you," or "I understand why you're upset about that." Here's the key. Validating her feelings doesn't mean agreeing with her interpretation of events. It means acknowledging that she experienced pain or frustration, and that matters to you. Those are two different things. After you've validated, that's when you apologize for your part. And here's how to apologize effectively. Be specific about what you're apologizing for. Don't say, "I'm sorry you're upset." That's not an apology. That's dismissal. Say, "I'm sorry I said that in a dismissive tone. That wasn't fair to you." Or, "I'm sorry I didn't respond when you were talking. I can see how that felt like I didn't care." Notice the pattern. You're owning the specific action that caused hurt, not just trying to make her stop being mad. A real apology acknowledges impact, not just intent. Here's what not to do when your wife is mad. Don't say, "You're overreacting." Don't say, "Why are you making such a big deal out of this?" Don't say, "I already apologized. What more do you want?" And absolutely don't say, "Here we go again," or bring up past arguments. All of those guarantee the situation gets worse. Now let's talk about the situation where you genuinely don't know what you did wrong. She's clearly mad, but you're clueless. Don't pretend you know. Don't guess and apologize for the wrong thing. Be honest. "I can see you're upset with me, and I genuinely don't know what I did. Can you help me understand so I can make it right?" This is vulnerable and honest. It shows you care about fixing it without faking understanding you don't have. Most wives will appreciate the honesty more than a generic apology. Here's another scenario. She's mad about something you don't think you should apologize for. Maybe you set a boundary. Maybe you made a decision she disagrees with. You can still acknowledge her feelings without abandoning your position. Try, "I understand you're frustrated with my decision, and I hear you. Can we talk about what's really bothering you about this? One more critical piece. After you've listened, validated, and apologized, don't immediately expect everything to go back to normal. Sometimes she needs time to process even after you've done everything right. Give her that time. Don't ask, "Are we good now?" or "Are you still mad?" Let her come back to you when she's ready. Here's what effective conflict resolution looks like in real time. She's mad because you made plans without checking with her first. Step 1. I can see you're upset. Do you want to talk now or need a minute? She wants to talk. Step 2. Tell me what's bothering you. She explains. Step 3. So you felt like I didn't consider your schedule and it made you feel like your time doesn't matter to me. Is that right? She confirms. Step 4. I can see why that would be frustrating. You're right that I should have checked with you first. Step 5. I'm sorry I made those plans without asking. That was inconsiderate. Notice what you didn't do. You didn't defend the plans. You didn't explain why you thought it would be fine. You didn't minimize her reaction. You listened, validated, and owned your part. That's how you de-escalate. Here's the deeper truth. When your wife is mad at you, she's not just mad about the thing that triggered it. She's usually feeling unheard, undervalued, or disconnected in some way. Your job isn't to fix the surface issue as quickly as possible. Your job is to make her feel seen and valued again. When you do that, the anger naturally dissolves. One final insight. If your wife is frequently mad at you, there's usually a pattern that needs addressing. Don't just put out fires one at a time. After things calm down, have a conversation about what's really going on. I've noticed we've been having more conflicts lately. Is there something bigger I'm missing that we should talk about? So next time your wife is mad, remember the sequence. Ask if she needs space or wants to talk. Listen without defending. Reflect back what you heard. Validate her feelings. Apologize specifically for your part, and give her time to process. When you follow this pattern, you turn conflicts into opportunities for deeper connection instead of bigger distance. Comment below and let me know what you are currently struggling with in your communications with your wife. Click the link in the first comment or check my bio to discover an ebook that can help improve your communication with your wife.